Each speaker has 5 minutes of time limitation. Okay? If you pass 5 minutes, then I will let you know. And if they pass 5 minutes, you can reduce their score. You can give them disadvantage. But I'm pretty sure they will not pass 5 minutes.
Will you use the stopwatch? Or?
I will use my
yeah.
cell phone. Okay? Don't be nervous. Okay? So,
Do your best.
Do your best.
okay, did you guys choose which resolution you want to start first?
No.
Capital animal? Okay, rock, scissors, paper.
Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper.
Okay, animal test?
Yes.
Your animal test, your con or pro? Your con, okay, so first resolution. Animal test should be allowed. They are the pro, you're the con, right? Pro team goes first. When you're ready, you can start.
Good evening, distinguished guest teachers and students. The topic for our debate is that animal tests should be allowed. With the affirmative team, define the topic as animal testing is meaningful, develop humans and animals drugs. With the affirmative team, believe that this statement is true. Today, as first speaker, I will be talking to you about animal testing. Tests should be allowed for develop humans drugs. Our second speaker will be talking about why should we allow animal test, and also we got the negative team. There is no rebuttal for the first affirmative speaker. I am going to discuss animal testing has led to several medical advancements for humans, and it enhances the safety of the products being released. My first point is animal test has led to several medical advancements for humans. This is because the British Royal Society has released a statement regarding animal research. This research noting that almost every 20th century medical achievement relied on the use of animals in some way during the development process. Because it cannot be fully replaced by computer simulations or models, the argument is that live testing will continue to be needed. Now to my second point, animal test enhances the safety of the products being released. The reason for this is animal testing helps to lessen the risk of an unplanned event occurring when humans use or ingest the products that are part of the animal testing experiment. Drugs can be potentially and immediately harmful to humans, especially during the testing phase of the product, so animal testing allows for researchers to determine the quality and safety of a product before humans take it. So distinguished guests, teachers and students, in conclusion, my opinion was animal testing should be allowed. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. And con team first speaker, please. You can start when you're ready.
Good evening, distinguished guests and teachers. The topic for our debate is that animal tests should be allowed. It disagree with the definition given by the opposition. However, with the negative team, and animal disease are different. It is argued that such animal testing is not useful enough to counteract animal suffering and death. The methods and doses used in animal experiments differ from the actual situation in humans, and out of the 30,000 human diseases, only 1.16% are shared by animals. It is pointed out that it does not help us to understand human beings. Indeed, examples of drugs that have shown completely different effects in humans and animals. For example, first thalidomide, a did a drug called thalidomide, a medicine for morning sickness, but vomiting symptoms during pregnancy was developed. So the drug was sold on the market, and the pregnant woman who took it gave birth to deformities with short arms and legs. Besides this, chloroquine, a friend allergy. And according to an article in the Journal of the American Medical Association, 106,000 humans die in hospitals each year due to side effects of drugs offered by the Food and Drug Administration. Food and Drug Administration, after previous animal testing, a 25-year study by Cambridge Hospital and Harvard Medical School on drug safety found that about 20% of the drugs on the market were withdrawn or properly burned. Moreover, according to a study by the University of Hanover in Germany, 5,800 people die each year and as a result of drug side effects. Thanks for listening to my presentation.
3 minutes.
근데 여기까지 조금만 해야 돼? 좀 많이 해.
Yeah, introduction and first day. Sure. Okay, who's the second speaker of Pro Team? Yeah, each team's second speaker should have rebuttal.
Right now, he's saying.
Right now?
Yes, you can do. No. With your speech, you have to announce the rebuttal. So you can start when you're ready.
Good evening, distinguished guests, teachers, and students. The topic of our debate is whether animal testing should be allowed or not. Although our first speakers have already stated that animal testing should be allowed, I would like to add a couple of more points why I think animal testing are necessary. My first point is that some animals are almost same as humans, with similar organs, circulatory systems, and reaction to an illness. Researchers can look at how animals react and be able to make comfortable predictions about how humans react. Especially chimpanzees' genetic profile is 99% similar to human. Thus, they were popular to use in the past and still are in some areas of animal researches. More recently, mice are frequently used in animal research because their genetic profile is 98% similar to humans. Overall, mice and humans share virtually the same set of genes and both belong to mammals. Almost every gene found in human has been found in mouse. My second point is animal testing is necessary for human health. The function of individual gene is important in the development of various diseases. Young babies and children have been suffered from inherited diseases called genetic disorders that come from parents with genetic defects. Entire human genome has around 30,000 genes, but only few genes have been fully studied. Thus, the function of a lot of genes remain unknown. With genetically engineered mouse, scientists can make defect for a single gene. By this way, scientists can exactly look and test what function of each single gene in body and accept which gene can cause disease in human. Even after animal tests, there will always be a risk when testing new drugs. However, animal tests can provide a lot of biological and medical data, which can reduce the risk of the drug items when these are applied to humans. In conclusion, all of the animal studies that I mentioned today cannot be replaced by non-animal system so far. Thus, I think animal experiments are sad but inevitable for human health. Should I have to do the
Sure.
Humans and animals' diseases are different. They said humans and animal diseases are different, but even the diseases are different. We can study the genes or something like the organs and circulatory systems and reactions to illness. We can study that kind of things, and we can use those on our making drug items.
That's it?
Thank you.
Okay. Second speaker of Con team. You can start when you're ready.
Good evening, guests and the teacher. The topic for our debate is the animal testing should be allowed. We disagree with the definition given by the option. I'm second speaker. I will be talking to sum up our team case and rebuttal. There are experiments that can replace animal tests. Several automated methods have been developed to replace animal tests. It is also argued that although animal testing is risky, it is advisable not to test it if there is a way to replace it. Recently, various alternative experiments have been developed, such as using human cells and artificial skin instead of live animals. Also using computer modeling models after animal responsible. After all, the definition of animal testing is to break the habit of overestimating the role of animal testing in the advancement of medicine, and to seek a more effective and essentially legitimation always than animal testing. For example, current experiments using cells automated current cell replacement experiments are fecal culture skin replacement experiments. More than 200 million animals die each year in the laboratory under the pretext of the single trials conducted for the development of the new drug for humans. In addition, the development and sale of a drug can average than 10 years and cost enormous amount of more than 2 trillion won. The problem is that and at the expense of time, cost, and life are often suspended due to unexpected side effects. However, there is already the breakthrough technology that can solve exact problems, including research accuracy as well as the time and cost. Main character or organ of treat, a new concept human simulation model developed by combining various technologies such as the fine engineering, cell biology, and chemistry. By using nano and recurrent technologies from semiconductors, long-term chip simulation environment similar to human organs in 3D and are most similar to actual human tissues. These chips are not replaces conventional animal testing but also improve the surgery rate of signal research, which can greatly reduce the cost and time of new drug development. In conclusion, we are disagree about the animal testing. And rebuttal, the protein said some animals are same as people, but people and animals on disease are different. They only have 1.16% are shared by animals, so I think this argument is wrong.
Okay, thank you. Okay. I'll go first.
We have to give the comments right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna give them comment on the score.
Score?
In my case, yes.
Okay, not my case.
I'll just, yeah, I wouldn't have a score.
Yes. 일단 두 팀 너무 수고했어요. 첫 번째 거라 긴장도 많이 했고, 그래요. 전반적으로 조사한 내용은 근거는 좋은 것 같아요. 이제 발표를 하는 데 있어서는 아직 조금 연습이 더 필요할 것 같아요. 두 팀 다, 그죠? 일단 한번 긴장하고 막히기 시작하니까 눈을 못 들겠죠, 그죠? 계속 읽게만 되죠, 그죠? 이제 연습량 부족이라고 보면 돼요. 다음에 더 연습할수록 더 여유 있게 할 수 있어요. 그래도 그거에 있어서 조금 남성팀 6팀으로 우리가 일부러 나왔던 건 아니지만 남성팀이 조금 더 아이 컨택트가 조금 더 있었어요. 그래서 그런 점은 조금 감안을 해서 선생님 같은 경우에 점수를 매긴 걸로는 1점 차로 남학생 팀에게 점수를 주고 싶어요. 그래서 선생님은 이쪽이 승리팀으로 보겠습니다. Mr. Terry?
Oh yes. Oh, it was better than I thought. Well done. But yeah, I could see someone was like trembling, but it's good. Boys did most eye contact, as what probably Simon said. So for second one, try to have more eye contact. And as I told you before, make a pose so people can hear what is the clearance before I said. And then you guys did well, and you guys did the rebuttal in the short time too.
Yeah, that's
So
really impressive.
that's I was kind of like proud of you guys. So just next one, adequate volume, eye contact. And then yes, you both did really well. But if I really have to pick one, I would give to the boys. But you both, but both points were perfect. I liked it. Just practice more. Well done.
Just comment.
Yeah, that was much better than I expected, especially when you in the other room like, oh. Yeah, it's really good. Especially like I think you got like a little upset, but then you like kept going. Must have been very hard. So when you do the next one, it's gonna be much easier. Yeah, I kind of amazed at the detail that you all did on.
If you have to pick one team for this.
Oh,
Yeah.
I kind of think Yunro killed it
Oh,
at the
okay.
end, like in a good way.
Cool.
Like he kind of came storming through. So.
Mm.
But a lot of things that he was saying was about came across more like opinion, whereas the girls were more fact-based. So maybe if you weigh things up, maybe he spoke better, but maybe your evidence was a little bit better.
Good. Do you guys understand? Did you understand? No. 두 팀 다 잘했는데 이제 테리 선생님이 말씀하신 거는 선생님이랑 얘기한 거랑 전반적으로 비슷한데 이쪽 팀 모두 리버털 했던 게 있어요. 반론. 상대편 얘기를 듣고 그지? 그거는 전혀 준비했던 게 아니야. 이 자리에서 직접 듣고서 거기에 자기네들 반론을 얘기한 거야. 그래서 그 부분은 생각보다 잘했다 이런 평가를 하신 거고 우리 크리스 선생님께서는 전부 잘했는데 특히 발표는 윤로 학생이 굉장히 잘했다. 그러나 쓴 근거, 논거나 이런 거는 여학생들 팀 쪽이 훨씬 좋았다. 이렇게 말씀하셨어요. 그래서 전반적으로 조금 더 편하게 발표를 하면 더 좋겠다. 좀 더 강력하게 해도 돼요. 이 팀이 맞습니다. 이런 거 좋아요. Okay, you guys take like a 3 minutes break. Go to the room, teacher Terry's room, and prepare for the second competition. Okay? 3 minutes. Okay?